Welcome to the Ford Mobility VR experience. On our trip through the city of tomorrow, you'll experience the ways transportation is revolutionized to benefit everyone. Now, hold on. It's going to be a wild ride. In the not-so-distant future, most people live in busy cities and have more choices than ever when it comes to getting around and staying connected. With innovations like Ford Pass and Sync Connect, Ford owners today can already do things like compare fuel prices or reserve parking ahead of time. But they'll be able to do even more in the city of tomorrow. Watch out for that building! Just kidding. Those drones are autonomous. In the city of tomorrow, vehicles communicate with roadways, buildings, and other vehicles, improving safety and efficiency and reducing congestion. It looks like Jim's Ford vehicle was able to pre-book him a parking spot right beside his favorite cafe. This is Henry, and he has a meeting in the heart of the city. Driving may not be the fastest or most efficient form of travel for him, so he uses an app to book a ride on a crowdsourced shuttle service and gets to his meeting refreshed, relaxed, and on time. In the city of tomorrow, we still find a full range of world-class Ford vehicles on the roads. Self-driving electric vehicles will help us address a host of safety, social, and environmental challenges. For example, Ford could have autonomous electric vehicles operating in ride-sharing services. Akiko is using one to pick her family up on demand and drop them off at their destination. She can seamlessly plan, book, and pay for her ride through Ford Pass. Self-driving electrified vehicles could deliver anything from packages to pizza, and even check themselves in for service when needed. Smart, connected Ford vehicles continuously learn and improve themselves to benefit both travelers and the cities they live in by cutting travel times, relieving stress, and helping everyone move more freely. Now, back to the show, and a world where Ford Pass is already available to help any car owner move more freely and efficiently. Download the app to get started today. We hope you enjoyed this ride through Ford's vision for the city of tomorrow.